Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Robinhood's cash management feature. Currently, I'm at $242,680. Cash position of $11,340. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account, so I can easily deploy it into the market when there are opportunities to buy. So taking a look at under the graph, you can see that there's a cash position of $11,340. Buying power, that's how much I can invest in. And then withdraw or spend is how much I can withdraw using the debit card at any of the free ATMs. So if I tap on buying power, you can see a breakdown of what's withdrawable plus the instant deposits, and that's a total of the buying power. If I look at withdraw or spend, it's essentially the same thing, but it shows what is withdrawable at any of the ATMs. So tapping on the cash management feature, as you can see, there's the buying power as well as the withdraw or spend option. And you can also transfer more money into the account. So looking at the interest earned breakdown, if I tap on the icon, this is what is explaining how the money is swept or moved. So your uninvested cash is swept or moved to the program banks that pay you interest. Your swept cash is also eligible for FDIC insurance up to a total max of 1.25 million, up to 250,000 per bank, subject to FDIC rules. So it's good to see that your money in this account is FDIC insured. So as you can see, so far this month, I've accumulated $4.36. Next pay date is January 31st, 2020, and it seems like it pays out on a monthly basis. And then tapping on swept cash, I have $11,248 as of January 17th, 2020. So your swept cash may not match what's available to use if you've recently traded, spent, or transferred funds. So any recent activity can definitely affect your swept cash. And you can also see a total of what was paid this year. And currently I've had this feature for about 2 weeks, so I haven't gotten any payout yet. But on January 31st, you'll see this paid this year increase. And then you can tap on show disclosures to get more information on some of the disclosure information. And as you can see, the debit card I have is the green one, and you could find free ATMs in your area, meaning they don't charge any transaction fees for withdrawing or depositing into your account. And surprisingly, there's actually quite a bit of free ATMs in my area. And scrolling down, you can see, say, your PIN number, as well as your recent activity. So is there any historical transactions from buying, selling to depositing? So that's all for this video. What are you doing with your cash? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.